What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. This is my 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road, and today we are doing phase 2 of the exterior blackout chrome deletion. First phase was getting rid of the chrome in the turn signals. Go back and watch my video on that. Now we are getting rid of the chrome on the Tacoma badge and the V6 on the back. So stay tuned. I'll show you how to install those. First, you'll need your overlays. Next, some isopropyl alcohol and a rag. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to take your isopropyl alcohol and your towel. I've got a microfiber one here, and we're going to clean the surface of the chrome badge. We want to get all the contaminants off of the surface of the chrome badge. So that way, the double-sided tape on the black overlays will adhere. Just like that. You can see that there is a little bit of grime that comes off as you're doing that. So we'll give that a little bit. Just make sure that it's clean. And then we'll let that dry. And be back with the overlay. Alright, now that that's dry, what we'll want to do is we'll take our black overlay and we're going to peel back the cover on the tape. And then we'll want to line this up that it all fits on there, that it's covered from top to bottom, and then press on, and we'll give it about a 20-second press. Just kind of go back and forth. Cover up the badge, cover up the overlay. Make sure that all that double-sided tape adheres as best it can. And we've got one side done. Blacked out, looks so much better, especially with everything else we got going on with the truck. Let's do the other side. Alright, here we are on the passenger side. We're going to do the same thing. Take our isopropyl alcohol, put it on our microfiber towel, and we'll just give stock chrome badge a good wipe down. Make sure that all the contaminants are off, all the dust, anything else that you've kind of picked up along the way. And we're really concerned about the surface. Alright, so we'll let that kind of dry off for about 20 seconds before putting on blackout. Alright, now that we've got the time, about 20 seconds have gone by, ready to peel back the double-sided tape cover. And like like we did on the other side, we'll just kind of make sure that we line it up. Pop it on over the top and then give it about a 20-second hold. Make sure that we get a good adhesion. Now the other thing you'll want to do is make sure that you're doing this in fairly warm weather. Right now it's summertime here in Utah, so there shouldn't be any issues with the adherence of this. Give it a nice surface wipe down. Oh man, this thing is looking better already. So let's get back to the V6 and we'll do that one. All right, last but certainly not least, it's gonna be the V6. So once again, steps, isopropyl alcohol, put it on your rag, wipe off the surface, maybe a little bit of the area around it. Let that dry for about 20 seconds. Then we'll take our V6 overlay, just remove the double-sided tape on the back. Up, push it on, give it a good 20 seconds of pressure. And we're good. All right, the V6 badge is done. The Tacoma chromes are now covered up with the overlays. Phase 2 is done of the chrome deletion. I'm looking at replacing the chrome in the taillights, maybe do some TRD Pro black taillights. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Should I smoke them out maybe? What are your thoughts? What are you guys planning on doing with your Tacoma? I do have some other stuff coming, a couple of things that are cosmetic, and then some practical stuff, maybe some ditch lights. We'll see. I got a whole bunch of other stuff planned out for this. I need to take it out on some trails and get this thing dirty, other than just, you know, bugs and grime and stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with everybody else that may need a little bit of help with some installs and some mods. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Peace.